Good morning, Zebra Skimmers Tech Support. This is Kristen speaking. How can I assist you today?
Hi Kristen, I'm Eugene. I work with CNC machines and we're in the market for a new tramp oil skimmer. I'm particularly interested in your line of skimmers, but I need to know if your skimmer motors are RoHS compliant. It's a key factor for our purchasing decision.
Hello, Eugene. That's a great question, and I'm glad you asked. Yes, I can confirm that all motors used in our line of tramp oil skimmers, whether it's the disc, belt, or tube skimmers, are indeed manufactured in the United States and meet RoHS compliance.
Well, that's great to hear. Can you tell me more about why RoHS compliance is important for these motors?
Certainly, Eugene. RoHS compliance means that the motors in our skimmers adhere to Restriction of Hazardous Substances Directive. This directive limits the use of specific hazardous materials found in electrical and electronic products. Being RoHS compliant means our products are more environmentally friendly by reducing the amount of toxic electronic waste. It's part of our commitment to not only providing quality products to our customers, but also to ensuring we do our part for the environment.
I appreciate the commitment to quality and the environment. It sounds like your skimmers are exactly what we're looking for. How can I go about ordering one?
I'm glad to hear our products align with your needs. You can order directly through our website at www.zebraskimmers.com, or if you prefer, you can order through your local distributor, who can guide you through the selection process and make sure you get the skimmer that best suits your specific requirements.
Great, I'll check out your website. Could you also send me some additional information on the different models and their specifications?
Absolutely, Eugene. I'll email you our product specifications for each model. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Nope, that covers everything for now. Thank you for all your help, Kristen. I'm looking forward to seeing the information and figuring out which type of skimmer is the best match for our machines.
You're welcome, Eugene. It was my pleasure assisting you. If you have any more questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day, and we look forward to working with you.